5 tips on how to make your walls look alive. Number 1. Play with bold colors. Choose vibrant, contrasting colors or bold accent walls to create visual drama. Consider textured paints finishes like metallics, ombre to add depth and interest. Number 2. Incorporate wall art. Use oversized art pieces, gallery walls, or mural-style paintings. Mix and match frames or add 3D wall sculptures to create an eclectic look. Number 3. Use creative wall panels. Add wood, stone, or fabric panels for texture and warmth. Try geometric or abstract patterns for modern touch. Number 4. Install living green walls. Add planters or vertical gardens with real or artificial plants for a natural vibe. Low maintenance plants like succulent or photos are perfect for this. Number 5. Experiment with lights. Use LED strip lights, sconces, or spotlights to highlight specific areas. If you find this content useful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more such tips on interior design.